You know, tell the people them why you force me to go up here, so. But only in a double show, me see people go up in a them place, you know.
Reek, 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 reek. Guys, the attic is where we store the Christmas ornaments and trees. Hear me? Why this sound so, babe? Do like how it sound.
The minute just got there.
But why it feels so shaky?
Because it is. You're gonna put this up there, so. I'm tired, guys. Make sure you go on up there.
This feels very unsafe.
You'd feel very unsafe? Yes. Oh. But yeah, send me up there every year. In and out of season.
They have a big piece of carpet up here now.
Yeah, we're gonna take it and show it to you.
Oh. What am I doing now?
That's it. Lock on the light there.
Where?
See the light over there. Pull the switch.
This?
Yeah.
This needs to be longer.
It was actually longer, I don't know what happened. Alright, come down now before you break your saline.
Tree, right? No, today is what, 2022? So 2020, yeah, 2021, I know this is the third year with a tree and we're still trying to learn it. Last year, I think I think messed it up in terms of where I placed the rods. So it wasn't as big as it could have been. But we couldn't bother take it off and start over. So today, with the help of the Prosperous, we're trying to get it. Yes. We're trying to get it. So we fluff it out and it's coming together. Guys, and this is a 7-foot tree. And I'm proud to say we got it for $30.
And it's gonna make clear nice.
Yeah. Here it is, we gotta be a bad. Oh man, I think I all bed. And it's kind of shedding, but guys, it was like what should the window open?
That's it. So guys, me just do what me can do and then go sit down because me night. Joshua should be here to fix up this tree.
Joshua has never helped to fix up a tree.
What?
Never.
That's always me and you?
Me alone.
No. I always help. Move.
No, babe. Me alone.
I always help, see.
But you didn't help last year. Maybe that's why it has escaped my memory. I don't remember him helping.
Wow. I should go sit down right now.
Alright, so I'm gonna go get the balls. So, in terms of the balls, last year we did silver and gold. And the year before, I think we did the blue, different shades of blue, the darker blue, the lighter blue, and silver.
Don't tell them what I do this year.
And I don't remember what we did the year before that. Maybe red.
I don't know.
I don't remember. But I'm gonna go get our colors for this year. Very first time using this combination of colors, so I'm uber excited.
She alone. So there you have it, guys. The Christmas tree is installed. The next step is the lights. So if you never know, you put on the lights before you put on the ornaments. Understand? So there we go. We're gonna put on the ornament, the lights next, and then the ornaments. Please and thanks. So these are the colors that we're using this year, guys. We're using a rose color with burgundy and gold. So what is that? One sweater?
The skirt.
What kind of
Last year
skirt?
we used fur because it was bougie. This year it's just gonna be in a chill mode, so it needs something.
So where that skirt I go? You wear it?
Really?
Wow.
Really?
Just want to know.
Tree needs clothes too.
I hear you. So guys, she's gonna put on skirt and then after that she put on a blouse. and we see what happens next. So just before we reveal our Christmas tree, we just wanted to show you a little bit of what else we did to spruce up our home for Christmas. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy our nice little Christmas vibe from Yardie Belly TV. So that was our entry table, and so we just decided to spruce that up a little bit. So now let's move on to the rest of the house. So the entry table is finished. Let's move on to the rest of the house with our decorations.
Grand finale for the big reveal.
So that's it, guys, for our Christmas decoration video. We do hope that you enjoyed all that Yardie Belly TV had to offer for the entire year. We do hope you will stick and stay, and of course like this video. And on behalf of our family to your family, we wish you all the best of the season and of course a prosperous new year. Remember, it is always good to give thanks to the Lord, because he is the one that has kept us thus far. And we thank you for being supporters of Yardie Belly TV. We do hope that everything work out for your favor in 2023. Continue to stick and stay. Don't move that dial. And remember, as usual, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie Belly TV says so. Big up yourself.